Hopefully walang delays in our flight. And we're heading to Taipei! Okay, sa labas na raw kami mag-withdraw. We're going to buy the card right here. Gusto ni Gabi yung mga cutie-cutie. This bus. Yan. Iwan doon yung mga baggage. So, binigay na namin kay Kuya yung mga baggage namin. Cool!
上车。
So, we got the family room.
Just a wicked old word. If you gotta get a love.
Hello everybody, Happy New Year! Welcome 2026, and we are off today to our very first out of the country trip for this year. We are currently at a lounge and we're waiting for our flight, and today we are going to Taipei, Taiwan. So this is for Gabby's birthday. May Gabby annual Gabby trip. Siyempre kasama namin si Nanay M. So the flight is going to be in a couple of hours, and actually about this trip, si Gabby talaga lahat nag-organize ng trip na to. I had nothing to do with like itinerary and all. Basta ang bilin ko lang sa kanya, kakain dapat kami. So we're gonna share with you the things that we did for this trip. We're going to give you some tips and tricks. And this is actually the first time that the three of us will go to Taipei. So first timers kami lahat. I've been wanting to go to Taipei, Taiwan for quite some time now. I'm really glad that we had this opportunity. So we're just gonna lounge here, maybe show you around. Okay, so let's go. Let's check out, the food and all that stuff.
Ate got some food. And I got some wine. Ate, masarap. Anong masasabi mo sa food ng A-Lounge? Masasarap sa maraming.
Maraming selection.
May ulam kasi dun, guys eh.
Tsaka may ice cream.
Tsaka may ice cream.
Big scoop.
Yeah. All right, you guys, we're out of the lounge and we're now heading to our gate. So gate 103. Hopefully walang delays in our flight, and we're heading to Taipei. Alright guys, so nandito kami sa arrivals area, and since madaling araw kami dumating, sarado yung mga forex and all that. Okay, sa labas na raw kami mag-withdraw. Let's go. Alright, so now we're going to the ATM to get some money. Si Gab magta-try siya ng GoTime. So we transfer the money to GoTime. That's what we're gonna use to withdraw money right now. we're going to buy the card right here. Gusto ni Gabi yung mga cutie. So yun, let's see. Okay, so we bought the cards. Pakita mo, Gab. Patingin. Care Bears, cutie. And then kay ate is Hello Kitty. My Melody. So we're going to take the bus 1819 to Taipei Main Station. So it's already 2:15 in the morning. Well, hindi pa bukas yung train nila, so we're going to take the bus. I'm not sure kung makakasakay tayo dito, hopefully, para makapag-check-in na tayo. This bus. Yan. Iwan dun yung mga baggage. So, binigay na namin kay kuya yung mga baggage namin. And then, pila muna tayo. Okay. Alright. 谢谢. Okay. Okay, so alright. Quick room tour. We got the family room na may dalawang double beds. Sa pagpasok mo, ito yung medyo weird. Merong siyang parang platform right here. Lapag ko muna yung mga gamit ko. Tapos, so this is the, diba? Meron siya dito on the side. Ang dami pang kalat. Sobrang sorry for the kalat. So, dito, beside the bed, meron na siyang mga saksakan. So, you don't need adapter naman na sa atin. Ayan yung mga saksakan nila, oh. Okay, I'll just show you the bathroom. Ito yung toilet. Ayan. May mga towels sila. And then, ito. Just the basic shower. So, they only include body wash at saka shampoo. Kung gusto nyo ng conditioner, facial wash, bili na lang kayo ng sarili nyo. So, this is the room. Yan. Okay naman siya, guys. Pretty spacious. May TV rin. Gumagana naman yung ano, diba? Oh, and then here, meron din siyang safety deposit box. And then, may mga cups din dito. Tapos sa gilid ni Gabi, yung ano niya. May ref naman. Siyempre, hindi na nakita yung legs niya na yung nakita. So, that's the room, guys.